Hey kids, welcome back to long division. Let's do a quick review on dividing by two digits. Then we're going to go to three digits. You're going to try some on your own, and then we're even going to go up to four digits today. The process stays the same. It's not that much different. Reviewing from last time with two digits, we'll just start off very simple. 99 divided by 9. 9 goes into 9 how many times? 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Drop the 9. How many times does 9 go into 9? Once. 9 times 1 equals 9. And we subtract 9 minus 9 equals 0. We have no more numbers to drop. Therefore, we have 11, remainder 0, or just 11. And we're all set. Not very different. Let's keep going. Now we're going to get into three digits. We did touch a little bit on three digits, but I definitely want to do a little bit more with it. Let's do the same problem. This time just add another digit. 999 divided by 9. I'm going to write a little bit smaller because now it's going to take up a little bit more space. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Drop the 9. Then we have 9 to 9 equals 1. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Drop the 9. 9 goes into 9 one time because 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Any more numbers to drop? Nothing. So we have 111 with no remainder. And there's our answer. Let's go over a shortcut that we could have done to make this even easier on ourselves. So let's pretend like we're rewinding like this never happened. Okay, we have 999 divided by 9. We know that 9 goes into 9 one time. We've done that. And it's 0. Now, this is something where you should pay attention because I did go over this in the previous lesson and it can help you skip a step. Look at 99 here. Instead of just dropping one 9, drop both. And here's why. 9 goes into 9, we know that. But 9 also goes into 99. So 9 would go into 99 how many times? 11. Because 9 times 11 equals 99. 99 minus 99 equals 0. We have no more to drop, and we have 111 with no remainder. This helped us skip one step. Now, in this case, it seems very, very minute. However, once you start getting into different kinds of problems in division, it could really help you. Let's keep going. 456 divided by 4. Once again, pay attention. 4 goes into 4, we know that. But does 4 go into 45? It might. Take a look on your multiplication sheet, and we can go over them together. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. Unfortunately, in this case, it does not work. However, it was a good thing that we tried to look for it, just in case we could skip a step. So let's go back. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Drop the 5. How many times does 4 go into 5? One time. Because 4 times 1 equals 4. And then we subtract 5 minus 4 equals 1. Drop the 6. 4 goes into 16 how many times? 4. Because 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0, and we have no more numbers to drop. We have 114 with no remainder. Therefore, 456 divided by 4, 114. Nice job. Let's do another one, and then we'll do one where you are on your own. This one is 585 divided by 5. 5 times what is 5? 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Drop the 8. 5 goes into 8 one time because 5 times 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Drop the 5. How many times does 5 go into 35? 7, because 5 times 7 is 35. 35 minus 35 equals 0. We have no more numbers to drop, so our answer is 117 with no remainder, and we are all set. Now, let's try one on your own. 654 divided by 3. Pause the video, give this one a try. Okay, welcome back. Let's give this a try. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Drop the 5. How many times does 3 go into 5? Once. Because 3 times 1 equals 3. 5 minus 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. And drop the 4. Now we have 3 into 24. How many times does 3 go into 24? 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. No more numbers to drop. We have no remainder, and our answer is 218. If you got that one incorrect, no big deal. Go back, rewind the video, and fix your work. It's good. Now, let's go into the 4 digits. It's not as bad as it sounds. It's the same procedure. Let's try 3,948 divided by 3. And let's go. How many times does 3 go into 3? One time. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Drop the 9. How many times does 3 go into 9? 3 times, because 3 times 3 equals 9. Subtract 9 minus 9 equals 0. Drop the 4. How many times does 3 go into 4? One time, because 3 times 1 equals 3. 4 minus 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 equals 1. Then we drop the 8. And we need to figure out how many times does 3 go into 8. Well, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. No more numbers to drop. No remainder. Therefore, our answer is 1,316. The more you practice your multiplication, the easier this will become. Therefore, you won't need your multiplication chart. But until then, this always helps as well. Let's do another one. Let's try 5,060 divided by 5. Great. I see a pattern here. How many times does 5 go into 50? 10. Because 5 times 10 equals 50. Always good to check for any type of pattern you can find here. 50 minus 50 equals 0. Drop the 6. Actually, in this case, we can also drop the 0. Don't worry about that 0. How many times does 5 go into 60? Well, we know 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 equals 60. 60 minus 60 equals 0. And we have no more numbers to drop. Therefore, we have 1012, remainder 0. Let's try another one. 6,739 divided by 2. I want you to pause the video and try this one on your own. When you're ready, come back and we'll check our work. Hey, welcome back. Now, I don't know all the way to 67, so I'm just going to stick to my normal strategy. How many times does 2 go into 6? 3 times, because 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Drop the 7. How many times does 2 go into 7? 3. Because 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Drop the 3. How many times does 2 go into 13? Well, let's check. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times 7 is 14. 14 was too much. So 2 times 6 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. And drop the 9. And now, how many times does 2 go into 19? Again, we know that 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. And 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 9 is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. No more numbers to drop. Therefore, we have a remainder. And our answer is 3,369, remainder 1. Crew, the more numbers you have, it's really not a big deal. The process just repeats itself. We would drop a number, see how many times it goes into it, subtract, and repeat over and over. Even if we had 10 digits, it would still be the same process. Now that you know the pattern, you're definitely set to do long division, and later on, you'll add in the second digit here as well. I hope you had fun learning some division with me. You're always welcome to ask for more problems, and I'm definitely willing to help you as well, or your teachers too. Thanks for practicing division with me. I will see you at school. Bye, kids.